There's one account that gives you a tax deduction going in, tax-free growth, and tax-free withdrawals. Most people only use it as a checking account for doctor bills. That's a huge mistake. Health Savings Account, only available with a high-deductible health plan, HDHP. 2026 limits for $1,300 individual, $8,550 family. Money rolls over forever, never expires or disappears at year-end. Contributions are tax-deductible, saves you 22 to 32% immediately. Growth inside is tax-free, dividends, interest, gains all untaxed. Withdrawals for medical expenses are 100% tax-free. After age 65, you can withdraw for any reason, just pay income tax. That makes it identical to a traditional IRA after 65. Pay medical bills out of pocket now, reimburse yourself decades later. Don't let it sit as cash. Invest in index funds. Fidelity HSA has zero fees and great index fund options. Even $200 per month invested for 20 years equals $104,000 tax-free. Save every medical receipt. No deadline to submit for reimbursement. Receipts from 2026 can be reimbursed tax-free in 2041. You're building a receipt portfolio as backup retirement funds. Free budget tracker and financial planning sheets at fundbiz.gumroad.com. Link in description. This channel posts every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. If this helped you at all, please hit the like button right now. It tells YouTube this video is worth showing to more people. And subscribe and tap the notification bell so you never miss a tip. We post every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday.